This is 3153. This is a Prime Oceanview. So as you come in, it actually looks like a balcony. The only difference is it doesn't have a balcony. It has a big, huge picture window. As you come in, you have your bed, which is either a king like you see it or two twins when you can separate them. There is no power by the bed, but you do have two nightstands. Your closet is right over here. Decent size. There's hanging up top, plus you can lower those down to have more hanging. A nice big dressing mirror to make sure you're looking good to go out for dinner. As I mentioned, here's your sofa with a big drawer underneath, by the way. This is either a sofa or a bed. As you see, it's made up for bed. TV across from that, 3 drawers. Your safe is in here. That is a mini fridge. Your desk area, which is where the only power in the cabin is. 2 US, 1 European. That mirror does light up, and a nice comfy chair. As I mentioned, a big picture window, as you can see. So looks really nice. You can see the world going by. And I bet it's a great view down here on deck 3. Bathroom, oh yeah, look at this. All the bathrooms in this ship are fantastic, guys. Toilet in a great place for someone my height at 6'4", as well as width, so it is tall and fluffy approved. Vessel sink, cubbies, drawers, and shelves and things. Lots of storage, big, huge mirror, power up there. My favorite shower is elongated, so it's not just a tiny little corner shower. So there's plenty of room in there, just so you don't feel like you're in a corner. So love the showers here on the Celebrity Reflection. There is your Prime Oceanview. We'll see you on the next one. Ciao!